Where do you see the biggest gaps emerging? Because you touch on a few topics, identity access management now, probably going to have to think about that at machine speed because it'll be AI agents, perhaps accessing data. Can you paint a picture more specifically on AI and what are the gaps that are opening?
Yeah. So the thing with AI is that we're moving our thinking process away from the transaction and into more semantic loss. That's what the various models are doing to us. So we're dealing, and again, I'm only going to be referring to this from the data security perspective, because after all, this is what we're here to talk about. All right. So we have data that is summarized in a model, embedded, transformed, learned. These are the pieces of AI typical processing. Now, here's the problem. We, in this short conversation you and I are having, we're going to be referring a lot to this irreversible business. Unfortunately, we now need to build security dealing with irreversibility. And what that means is that once your data has been submitted to a public model, it's not coming back. Therefore, our ability to control the feeding of sensitive data into models that are not authorized for use is something that we absolutely need to do. How do we create embeddings above and beyond retention policies is absolutely essential. So this is what AI has brought up. This whole business of I submitted say a firewall rule and it didn't work out and I can reverse it. That doesn't apply to AI. So that's a new way of thinking. Now, why am I keep on bringing this up is because shadow AI is absolutely dangerous. It's not because it is malicious. It may not be, use of, say, Gemini, ChatGPT. I mean, people essentially using it as a search engine. And so what's wrong with that? Well, what's wrong with that? It is irreversible. The data that's submitted, it is not taken back. So from a CISO perspective, the most innovative control is not about detecting the use, because that's quite easy, but it's to create awareness before a decision is made.